Good morning students, this is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, STSTPS, AP Gen Code, NAIL 2. Welcome to part 2. In this part, we are going to discuss pyramid and exercise 1 problems related to chapter 10, surface areas and volumes. Welcome to the topic, pyramids. Pyramid is a three-dimensional solid figure. This figure has fascinated human beings from the ancient times. You might have read about pyramids of Egypt, which are one of the 7 wonders of the world. There are remarkable, accurate examples of pyramids on square bases. How they built, it is a mystery. No one really knows that how these massive structures were built. Next, definition of pyramid. A shape or structure with a polygon for its base and 3 or more triangles for its sides which meet to form the top. How to decide the name of the pyramid? Pyramids are named from their base shape. Most pyramids we have seen are square pyramids, but there are plenty of others as well. Observe the pictures. The first picture name is triangular pyramid because the base of the pyramid is triangle shape. Second picture name is square pyramid because the base of the pyramid is square. Next picture name is hexagonal pyramid because the base of the pyramid is hexagonal. So we can decide name of the pyramid according to its base. Next, parts of a pyramid. A regular pyramid is a pyramid whose base is a regular polygon. Regular polygon means all sides are equal. The lateral faces are triangles. The height of each triangle is the slant height of the pyramid. Observe here, I indicate slant height. Next, surface area of pyramid. How to find surface area of pyramid is equal to area of the base plus areas of lateral faces. Next, volume of pyramids. Remember that volume of a prism is B into H, where B is the area of the base. You can see that volume of a pyramid will be less than that of a prism. How much less? Can you guess? If you said 2 by 3 less, you correct. Volume of a pyramid is equal to 1 by 3 into area of the base into height. That implies 1 by 3 into area of the base, we can indicate capital B, into height means H. That implies 1 by 3 into volume of a prism. That means if we add 3 times volume of pyramid is equal to volume of prism. Let us start exercise 10.1 problems. First question, find the lateral surface area and the total surface area of the following right prisms. First question. Observe the picture. The shape of the figure is cube because all sides are equal. Solution. Length of the edge of the cube is equal to 4 cm. First we have to find lateral surface area of cube. Formula is 4L square. Here L means length of the side of the cube. That implies 4 into L means 4 whole square. That implies 4 into 4 square means 16. 16 4s are 64 centimeter square. Next we have to find total surface area of cube. Formula is 6L square. That implies 6 into L means 4 square. That implies 6 into 4 square means 16. Next step, 16 6 are 96 centimeter square. Next we have to find second figure. Observe the second figure. The second figure name is cuboid because length, breadth and height are different sizes. Solution. Length of the cuboid L is equal 8 cm. Breadth of the cuboid B is equal 6 cm. Height of the cuboid H is equal 5 cm. First we have to find lateral surface area of cuboid. Formula is 2H into L plus B. Next step, 2 into H means 5 into L means 8 plus B means 6. Next step, 2 5s are 10 into 8 plus 6 14. After multiplication we get 140 centimeter square. Next we have to find total surface area of cuboid. Formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Next step, 2 into L means 8 into B means 6 plus B means 6 into height means 5 plus L means 8 into H means 5. Next step, 2 into 8 6 are 48 plus 6 5 are 30 plus 8 5 are 40. Next step, 2 into add the 48, 30 and 40. We get 180. After multiplication, we get 236 centimeters square. Second question. The total surface area of cube is 1350 square meters. Find its volume. Solution. Total surface area of cube is equal to 1350 square meters. We know that TSA of cube is 6L square, that is equal 1350. L square is equal to 1350. 6 send to right side, it becomes division by 6. After simplification, we get 225. That implies L is equal, the square send to right side, it becomes square root 225. After 225, we can write 15 into 15. That implies its value is 15 meters because the square of 15 is 225. Next to volume of the cube, formula is L cube. That implies L means 15 whole cube. That implies 15 cube means 15, we can write 3 times 15 into 15 into 15. After multiplication, we get 3375 cubic meters. Third question. Find the area of 4 walls of a room. Assume that there are no doors or windows. If its length is 12 meters, breadth is 10 meters and height is 7.5 meters. Solution. Length of the room L is equal 12 meters. Breadth of the room B is equal 10 meters. Height of the room H is equal 7.5 meters. Therefore, area of 4 walls of room is equal to lateral surface area of cuboid. That implies 2H into L plus B. Next step, 2 into H means 7.5 into L means 12 plus B means 10. Next step, 2 into 7.5 means 15 into 12 plus 10 means 22. After multiplication, we get 330 square meters. Therefore, area of the 4 walls of a room is equal 330 square meters. Dear children, today home assignment is copy exercise 10.1 problems in paper 2 book. Thank you.